Right, let's look at the power switch for your Anet printer. Obviously the IEC socket goes in here, you've got a switch, turn it on and off. On the back you're connected. This one should be Earth. You'll probably see there's a little logo there with an Earth symbol or an E, which is the Earth symbol, is like that. That's your neutral. And this one will be live. It comes in through the fuse to there, and what you got to do is loop this live to that one, neutral to that one, and this will go straight to your PSU on your Anet, and same as it. So if that's live, this one live to your PSU, neutral, and neutral live, neutral to your PSU. Alright, let's loop your cables. So you're live to the first one there, a live switch. So that one will go in here. Then you do the same with the neutral. Go in there. Then put that one round. Go in here. So you can see live together, neutral across. And what you do, if that one's live, this one will be live to your power supply, neutral to your power supply, earth straight to your power supply. Okay, as you can see, I've already connected the wires to the power supply, my live, neutral and my earth. So with the switch, you've got your earth. Remember, it goes to this one. Put that in there. Right, your live. Remember, that's your live, so the live goes to this one. And your neutral goes to the end one. So there you have your switch. Obviously, live on the outside, neutral, earth. Okay.